What does a cow say?
Moo.
Very good. What does a wolf say?
Moo.
No. Hi, Alice. What does a chicken say?
Papa.
What does a dog say? What does a cow say?
Moo.
Very good. What does a wolf say?
Moo.
No. The wolf says? What does a wolf say? What does a wolf say?
Moo.
Oh, very good. How about the duck? What does a duck say?
Quack.
Quack. Very good. What does a horse say? Horse.
Quack.
No. What does a horse say? What does a horse say? How does a fish swim? How does a fish swim? Let me see. Very good. How does a bird fly? Oh, good job. No. Can you count, please? Count.
1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. How about 5? 5. Say 5.
5.
Very good. Again, you count.
Baka.
Baka.